another video. So, first of all, sorry if ganito yung ilaw natin kasi it's currently 6:03 in the evening na. And naisipan ko na mag-vlog. So anyway, today it is May 20. Yun nga, 6:03 in the evening na, and I'm using my phone kasi yung camera ko low but again. So anyway, nag-vlog ako kasi this is my last week here in Naga kasi tapos na yung semester namin. Wala yung ilaw ko. Yun na nga, but I said patapos na yung semester. Actually, nag-exam ako kanina morning. Yun na yung second to the last ko exam, and tomorrow is my last exam, and tomorrow is my last day sa school. Kasi after yung exam ko tomorrow, I'm done for this semester. So yeah, bakasyon na guys. So anyways, yun na nga. Tomorrow is my last exam, 12 noon. So I'll be going sa cafe, I think. Before that, kasi mag-review ako. And then later mag-review din ako. Kasi major exam yun tomorrow, my last exam. So anyway, yun na muna for now. And wala namang ginawa kanina after my exam. After I ate lunch sa school with friends, dumiretso na rin ako here sa dorm. Kasi yun na, wala namang ginagawa. So yeah, kakaligo ko lang by the way, kaya ganyan yung buhok ko. Kasi ang init ngayon. So yan. So anyways guys, yun naman na for today. I will be seeing you tomorrow. So I'm here pa sa Starbucks. Pero alis na yung mamaya. Next year na ako. Anyway, outfit check. ID from Shopee. Shirt from Apsa. Anyway, Apsa shirt namin. And then shorts from Champion. And shoes. And case from TikTok. I will put the link sa description box. Bye guys. Hello guys, it is Thursday, May 23, 5:04 in the afternoon, and kahapon ata nung isang araw ay mentioned na pupunta kaming Kaugma today, which is today kasi yung first day ng Kaugma Festival. So hindi kami tutuloy kasi una-una tinamad na kami kasi tatlo lang kami pupunta. And sayang pamasahe. So I decided na what if mag-photourism na lang kami sa SM kasi matagal na namin gustong gawin yon. Tapos mag-sine kasi hindi pa namin gagawa yun na dalawa, and then coffee kasi yun naman yung usual go to labas namin ni Hana. So yeah, yun na, 5:05 in the afternoon na. I'm just waiting for her. Dito ata kami magkikita sa dorm or sa SM na. So yeah, let's see if saan niya nakikita, and I'll be updating you later pagkasama ko na siya. Bye guys! After an hour, si Miss Nicolandia dito na.
Sorry guys.
Bibigay ka na yung gift ko.
Hello, meron ulit?
Yeah. Okay. O diba, ang kata-outfit namin, oh.
Kasi para mag-compliment tayo, next shoes na lang din ako. Oh!
Yun yung merch ko! Yung merch ko yan. Large yung kinuha ko sa'yo, medium. Para kahit pa paano maluwag-luwag.
Oh my god guys, alam niyo super sweet talaga ni siya.
May case. Thank you so much. Tatlo yan kasi I love you.
Thank you you, Bading. Thank you. Alam niyo guys, super thoughtful talaga ni Bading.
Alam, wala akong pera.
So, jowain nyo. Mas narin ako jowa yun yan.
O, hindi ako namimili sa jowa, te.
Oo nga pala tayo binibigyan.
Yay! Punta kami SM, guys. See you later. Bye-bye. Don't forget, it's just me. Very Shan coded. Yeah.
Very Shan coded. Ano yan? Tongga. Tongga ba yung siya? Hello, cute. Thank you, buddy.
Welcome.